Click on the Customize link to open the Customizer panel. Click on the Front Page Sections tab. Click on the Slider Settings tab to open Slider Settings. The first setting, Slider Enable/Disable. You can choose this setting. Click on the Add New Slide button to add a new slide into the slider. Now, click on the newly added slide tab to open its settings. First, we add a title and subtitle for the slide. Now, we will add a description of the slide. Now set the button text for the slide button. You can add a link on the button by adding a URL into the link text box. You can also set the link opening target as the same window or a new window. You can choose the slide content type standard. Using the Upload Image button, you can upload a slide image. Using the Autoplay slider setting, you can turn to enable or disable the automatic slideshow. Slider Animation Speed setting will help you to set the time delay to display the next slide. You can increase or decrease the time interval, which is milliseconds, like we show in the video. Using the Fade Animation setting, you can turn to enable or disable the animation. Overlay setting, you can set the overlay to enable or disable for the slide. Using Slider Overlay Color. Slide Title Color. Slide Subtitle Color. Slide Description Color settings, you can set the colors for overlay, title, subtitle, and description. Now click on the Publish button to publish the slide. And close the customizer to take a full preview look at the newly added slide. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel.